At this moment, 1 year ago, the skies were growing dark. And within the hour, everything would change for many families in Terrytown to New Orleans East as an EF3 tornado made a path through the metro area. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for watching. I'm Katie Moore.
And I'm Cherise Gibson. Most of the damage that day was centered in Arabi, where neighbors faced a catastrophic cleanup.
They did, and Lily Cummings is joining us live there tonight. Lily, how are things looking today?
Katie and Cherise, besides a few foundations just like this one, it's hard to tell that a tornado touched down here a year ago today. But I spent my morning with a family who spent the majority of that year cleaning up their house and getting it back in shape, and they're grateful today to be back in it. A tornado ripped through Jill Barth's neighborhood 1 year ago.
The last year has been very intense.
Her family was forced to live elsewhere while they repaired their home.
We've been home for a couple months now, and we're just enjoying sitting on our couches again and, you know, being able to be happy in our house that we were not in the house for very long.
Like many homes in the neighborhood, theirs is a new build. This EF3 tornado tore it apart. The family hunkered down in a closet and made it out alive. Across the street, 25-year-old Connor Lambert wasn't as lucky. His home was leveled.
Connor is, you know, he's still in our minds, and he will always be our neighbor.
A tornado threatened Arabi again in December.
There were people who were hit in March of last year that got hit again in December. And I mean, I can't imagine.
The St. Bernard community has weathered many a storm.
The area's come back. You know, our people are really, really resilient. You know, I think the only houses that maybe something what hasn't been done with are people who are in litigation with their insurance company, which every Louisianian knows that we're in a struggle with insurance companies right now.
Councilmember Gillis McCleskey has worked to get additional funding for tornado victims over the last year. From then to now, he's proud of the progress.
These homes were completely destroyed, and some of them went all the way down to the ground and came back up. So it's amazing how far we've come.
And the council member did share with us that there will be a memorial for Connor Lambert on his property very soon. Reporting live in Arabi, Lily Cummings, Eyewitness News.